many people subscribe to the phrase, new year, new you. And while so many people focus on cleaning out the pantries, stocking it full of healthy foods, where their goals can get sidetracked is by skipping out on healthy food prep practices that will, of course, lead to long-term healthy habits. So joining me in the kitchen with some easy tips, we have celebrity chef Mark Kalix. Welcome back to the kitchen. It's always wonderful to have you.
Happy New Year.
Yes.
And I am very guilty of falling prey to Quitter's Day.
Yes, the Quitter's Day.
And what I do to keep Quitter's Day from just taking over my January is recommitting by doing great food prep.
Yes.
So check this out.
Okay.
Here is a great example of food prep. On Sunday, I go ahead and I prep all my vegetables and potatoes.
Right.
I blanch and then shock, so I boil and then put in cold water to stop the cooking process.
Okay.
And now I'm ready to go. So yeah, these vegetables are kind of boring on their own, but we're gonna dress them up in a second.
Okay.
But man, when I'm hungry, it's just nice to be able to reach in the fridge and go, get into my bowl.
Right, because it's already pre-chopped and ready, but what is the blanching and why is that the process that you use versus maybe other cooking methods?
Perfect question. So what we do is we go into hot boiling water from raw.
Sure.
We cook them till their desired doneness. So I like mine medium al dente.
Okay.
And then by putting them in ice water, what it does is it stops the cooking process and allows your vegetables to keep their color and integrity in the refrigerator for up to a week.
Oh.
Yes.
So extending that shelf life.
Right. Whereas if you just put them in hot water and then just let them sit there, they just continue to overcook. They turn to mush. They lose their color. They turn army gray. So this side of the table, we got all the stuff you want. You want fresh fruits. You want lots of vegetables. You want lots of healthy fats like nuts. And you want to avoid hidden sugar. So this is the bad side. Ketchup, no
side
sriracha.
of the table.
I'll tell you what, read the labels. Second thing here, sugar. We're trying to avoid sugar. I have a sugar addiction. I love sugar. It's in everything. So you can find something like sriracha sauce. It doesn't have any sugar in it.
And like fruits and stuff have natural sugars where maybe there's ways you can incorporate that into your cooking,
That's
right?
right. I'll roast a pineapple or make salsa with grapes for sweetness. Healthy fats like ghee, wonderful. Peanuts. Peanuts are a sneaker, I'll tell you what, because it's a legume. It's like eating a bean, which your body hangs on to those fats a little longer. I'm not a chemist, I'm just a cook. And then of course we're gonna skip the champagne. That's on the no pile.
I mean, you're taking all the fun out of it
I
now,
know,
Chef.
I'm taking all the fun out of it. But let's say, what do you want for lunch?
Right, like let's do maybe some cooking and get an idea here of what you would throw together.
Yeah, so if I'm making like a quick and easy lunch, and let's say I want a vegetarian lunch, you know, I'm just gonna get some healthy fat. I like ghee or any vegetable-based oil, like avoid corn, you know, the thing about corn.
The over-processed oils, right?
Yes, exactly. And I know we eat corn like a vegetable and we forget that it's a grain.
Oh, I wouldn't have thought that.
Yeah, I love corn. It's my favorite.
So it falls more into the family of like wheat and things.
Yes, exactly, exactly. So smoking hot here. I'm just gonna get in here with my hands. We're gonna get that sizzle going. I'm gonna get some potatoes going. And would you like more of an Asian style or more of a Southwest
like you're talking
style?
About sauces and things.
And I hate measuring, so what I do is I just trust my senses here.
I hate measuring too. I'm like your kind of chef.
Sesame oil, you know, that's one of those things where people go, oh, it's a seed, don't avoid seed oils. But
hit it with the salt.
But in just a few minutes, you heat up your food, you get a little char on it, you add some flavor.
It's fresh.
It's fresh, it's hot. Maybe you're gonna serve this over, you smell that?
Yeah. You have all of like the veggies and all of the nutrients and things.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat a potato.
Oh man, I feel like this is gonna be so spicy that if I take a
maybe. I didn't bring any water. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
It's good.
Right?
It's good.
So I might grill these.
Not too spicy.
I might roast this in my oven, choose a cooking method, choose your ingredients and combine them. I might saute this. It could have gone a little bit more, but you know, for TV cooking, not bad.
Right, exactly.
For just a few seconds. And I got some tricks, like for example, I love roasting grapes.
Oh, I love that. Well, unfortunately, Chef, we are out of time.
Okay.
We'll have to talk about the roasting grapes next time.
You got
Thank
it.
you so much
You're
for
so
everything
welcome.
you do for us. And Chef Mark Kalix is the celebrity chef for Appliance Factory Fine Lines. You could earn a free in-home cooking class or dinner party. Find out more information on his website at celebritychefmarkk.com. And that's all that we have time for today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow at 11:30 a.m.